Welcome back to another Trade Journal video. This is Trade Journal number 63. And before I jump into this week's trades, don't forget to like and subscribe so you can stay up to date on all of my trades. Jumping into the first trade that I had, it was on Apple, AAPL, and what I had was a poor man's covered call. So I had a leap call option with a long time until expiration, and then I sold a weekly call against it at the 152.5 strike price, so right here at this blue line, and I collected $59 in premium for selling this call. And as you can see, price kind of moved around and then kind of ended up closing here. What I ended up doing was closing it out right at opening bell on Friday for a total profit of $199. So even though I sold this for $59, I was able to close out both the leap call option plus the weekly call for $199 in total profit. Now jumping over to my other trade for this week, it was on Facebook. Again, similar trade, a poor man's covered call. So I have a leap call option with a long time until expiration, and I sold a weekly call right here at this yellow line at the $350 strike price, and I collected $50 of premium for selling this. In this case, you can see that price stayed below my strike price, so this option expires worthless and I get to keep my full $50. I did not place a trade for next week because I missed the closing bell and tried to place the trade before then, but what I'll do is I'll wait till Monday next week, see how price opens, and then most likely sell another weekly call somewhere higher up. In addition to this, for next week, I'm also planning on looking at TQQQ. So TQQQ has had a huge run up these last 2 weeks, hoping for some sort of a pullback so that I can get into a better position, or I'll start looking into cash secured puts if I see TQQQ pull back a bit more. I'm also going to be looking at SoFi. So I currently own a leap call option on SoFi, and I have been waiting for the price to recover, which it has now, kind of come back to levels that I want to start looking at it. And it has earnings next week, so depending on how this price moves on Monday, I'll decide whether I'm going to sell a call or maybe I'll just hold it through earnings and see how this moves. The other stock that I'm still looking at on my radar is Snapchat. It had this huge gap down. I'm waiting for it to consolidate a bit more and see a slightly bigger move to the upside before I decide it's the right time to get in. I do think Snapchat could recover all the way back up to $75. It's just a matter of time. So all in all for this week, total profit, $199 on Apple and $50 on Facebook for a total profit of $249. Right now for next week, I don't have any trades set up. Kind of want to see how the market opens up on Monday, and then possible trades on Facebook, SoFi, and TQQQ. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave those down below and I'll make sure to answer them. Or if you want to see my analysis on any stocks, feel free to leave that down below as well. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next week.